Hi guys, and today I'm going to unbox the Evofox Fireblade budget gaming keyboard, and let's get right into the video. So now I'm going to unbox it. So this is the box they give us. This is a cardboard box, which is not bad, but it's a little bit broken when I first got it, but still it's not bad. Now I'm going to cut it. It's come out. Yes. So this is the box. These are the things. Let's take the main components out. Let's put it here. So they give us a plastic cover where it fully covers the keyboard, and this is the warranty card. This is the number they want to call us if you have an issue, and you can also extend your warranty if you register in the HTTP below. And these are the two stickers which you get additionally. It looks nice. I like the black and red. And this is the official keyboard. Take it out. Looks very nice. So I'll show you the hardware. And there's also two pads here if you want to fully extend it, so that you have the elevation when you're gaming. And there's also a display here to show you the Windows lock, the caps lock, the SL lock and stuff. So that's the unboxing. So now I'm going to review the Evofox Fireblade keyboard. So this is obviously a budget gaming keyboard, and they give us a braided cable here, which is nice. And obviously this is not gold plated or nothing like that, but yeah. But first I'm going to do an ASMR test, so hear it out. So that's the ASMR test. Obviously this is not a mechanical keyboard, as this is a budget gaming keyboard, but this is a membrane keyboard which gives you a feel like a mechanical keyboard, but still it's a membrane keyboard, and the sound, it sounds just like a mechanical keyboard, which is very nice. So now I'm going to show you the RGB features on the keyboard. So if you press this brightness button, the RGB will turn on, and if you want to decrease the RGB, you can press F1 and the page down button, which will fully decrease it if you fully don't want it, and it will fully increase it if you fully want it. But now I'll show you the RGB in the dark to show you how it's like, how it looks. Looks very nice in the dark. So this is obviously a 10 keyless keyboard, and which gives you more room if you have a small desk, because there'll be another a piece of numbers and stuff, a number pad, which is like too big if you have a small desk. And I forgot to say, there is also another option here, which you actually press the caps lock, there'll be a light indication here, and if you press the SL lock, there'll be a light indication here, and there will be a Windows lock if there is a light indication here. And overall, I would rate this keyboard a 4.7 out of 5, which is not the best, but 4.7 is not bad. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Bye guys.